In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find user ID in Slack. Quickly find your user ID. Slack tutorial. If you've ever needed a Slack user ID for a bot, an integration, or a workflow, this quick method will get you there with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll add tips so you know exactly what to expect on both the desktop app and the web version. Start by opening Slack and heading to a direct message. This can be a DM with the person whose ID you need, or even your own direct message thread if you're looking for your own ID. Opening the DM ensures their profile is right at the top of the conversation, which makes the next steps straightforward. At the top of that DM, click the person's name in the header. This opens a compact profile view so you can access more details. If you don't see the name at first, make sure the conversation header is visible. On smaller windows, you might need to maximize the Slack window or close other panes to reveal it. Next, select View Full Profile. This expands the profile into the right-hand sidebar and shows you the complete set of profile actions and details. It's the easiest place to find the menu we need. In the full profile, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More. Click that to open the action list. The menu can be near the top right of the profile panel. If your Slack theme or window size shifts things around, just scan for the three dots. The label is consistent. Choose Copy Link to Profile. Slack will place a unique profile URL on your clipboard. That link includes the workspace information and the person's unique identifier. You won't see anything change on screen, but the link is now ready to paste. Finally, paste the link into the message field. You can paste it right into the DM you're in to view it. You don't have to send it, just paste to see the full URL. Inside that link, you'll notice a distinctive string, often starting with a letter followed by numbers. That's the Slack user ID. If you do send the link and prefer not to keep it in the conversation, you can remove it afterward. Keep in mind, while a user ID isn't a password, it is an identifier, so only share it with tools or teammates who truly need it. That's it. You've quickly surfaced a Slack user ID using the profile link. This process is the same on the desktop app and in your browser, with minor visual differences. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to grab any Slack user ID whenever you need it.